Understanding Before Dark, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, before dark. This phrase is widely used in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of the English language. So, let's dive in and shed some light on this interesting expression. Before dark is a phrase that refers to the time period just before nightfall. It is the time of day when the sky is still lit by the sun, but the sun itself is not completely visible. This phrase is often used to describe a time frame, typically in the late afternoon or early evening, just before it gets completely dark. Example, make sure you're home before dark. In daily conversation, before dark is used to emphasize the importance of timing, especially when it relates to safety, convenience, or simply a preference for daylight. It's a way of setting a deadline or a time limit that is tied to natural light rather than a specific clock time. Example, finish your outdoor games before dark. In different cultures, the interpretation of before dark can vary slightly, especially in regions where there are significant changes in daylight hours across seasons. Moreover, this phrase can sometimes be replaced with other terms like before dusk or before nightfall, which carry a similar meaning. Example, in summer, before dark can mean much later in the evening compared to winter. Understanding phrases like before dark is a great step in mastering the English language. It's not just about the words, but also about the context and cultural nuances. We hope this video has been helpful in your learning journey. Keep practicing, and you'll be navigating through English conversations with ease in no time.